Hi, today's SolidWorks tutorial, I will be discussing about how to make SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind videos to understand and learn how it was done properly. Please continue watching until the end of the video so you can easily learn SolidWorks. And I appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. File, New, and open new solid documents open with a part to be picked up. Okay, and open view of sketches opens, and we have to choose a front plane, then sketch, get the sketch, and now let's do some lines. Let's do some lines. Then system option general, we have to change the units to from millimeter to inches, appropriate inches. So let's measure this one as 5 inches. Then line again. Let's say this one is 2.5 in inches. Regenerate the model with the current value. And press OK. Let's get out of the dialog box on the dimension. And we just move this one a bit. And then this one supposed to be 1.5. Regenerate. And this one is 1.5. Regenerate again. Then click the point on both, then click the shift key and then put it as horizontal, so it will be equal, the point will be equal on the horizontal point, and that is 2. And now the length from this one, we measure it as 125. Let's do this one as 2, so it's more nearer. And then the shape of the fillet will be, let's put it this one and this one. Let's put it as 0.25, and also this one and this one, this one and this one, and this one and this one. Now it's all, and then press OK to get out of the sketch fillet. Now you can see that it's a fully defined. Okay, let's get out of the sketch. Then let's make a plane onto here. So that means that I had to make a sketch on front of that plane. So let's do some sketch. So to the normal 2. Okay. corner. That's a rectangular one, and that is about 1.5. That is in inches, and regenerate. And from here, it's supposed to be 0.25, so it will be equal in the middle, and this one will be 0.25. Or that's 1.25 as 1/8 of an inch. Okay. Let's do again some normal too. And then I wanted this one to be 0.1. Let's check it out. Is the value maybe 0.7125. Or maybe 25. Yep. Then press also the other area, so it will be play. You can see it shows the preview of the play. And then press OK to get out of the sketch play. Now let's get out of the sketch, and then go to the picture, and then switch the base, boss base, so automatically it picks up the sketch profile. Now we go to the normal to the path. Normal to the path will be this one. So now it makes a solid work that it's been extruded on the normal sweep. And click OK to get out of the sweep command. And then let's get this one to be hide. And let's make a sketch on this front page. So it's a straight one. Okay. Point 75 inches. That is 0.75. Or maybe we could do it some 1.5 inches. Generate. Oops, that's a lot. So 0.25 only. And regenerate. And this one supposed to be 0.75. That's good. But this one's supposed to be maybe 1. Let's go on 1. It's more look like better. And let's save it to exercise 185. And let's extrude it as extruded cut and go on to the other surface. And let's get out of it. Now We have now some holes, that is the slotted hole. Okay. And let's go here and let's sketch something, a hole. That's 0.75. Then 0.75 also as in inches. Regenerate. Okay. Let's go on to the normal. That's 1 inches. Regenerate. Get out of dimension box. Okay. And extrude cut to up to next. Okay. And there's another one here, so let's do some sketch also. Let's use the insert picture. Let's do the hole wizard. There's a hole in inches. Drill. Let's do 3/8. Let's do more than 3/8, maybe a half, or something like 3/4. That's better. Now they have the hole arranged as I wanted to. Let's do the line pattern where I wanted the direction to be here and going down at 1.5, number 3, and the pattern will be this one. So you can see it patterns, but there's nothing here, so it will make 3 slotted hole, and press OK. It's almost seated, but doesn't matter. Let's do so you can see it. You don't want to see those top. So 1.65, that's the unit in inches. Now it's good to see that. Save. Let's change it to 1.60 as the unit is in inch. Okay, the body now is good. And let's make another one here. That is sketch value. Put out of the sketch. press that one, vertical, and press the dimension. That's 1. Press this one, that one, 65. Press this one. 75. That's good. So it's fully defined. Let's go out and extrude cut to the next. Now there's a hole right there. Let's do now the color. I don't like that one. I want the whole parts. Let's do the red, light red. That one. Okay. And press the final render. I found out that some of you are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe now so you can gain more knowledge about SolidWorks. Please make a comment on my tutorials so you have enough information on how to use SolidWorks. If my tutorial is okay for you or some changes that I can improve and make videos more easy and fun to learn SolidWorks. I hope you like my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, and comments below. Thank you very much.